Welcome to Aseem Gyan Vahini. The acronym for Aseem, A-S-E-E-M, Atmanirbhar, Science, Education, Enrichment, Mahavahini. Aseem Gyan means unlimited knowledge. Aseem is for empowerment of educating skills. Aseem is for organization of science quiz contest. Aseem for science education short film festivals. Aseem for reviews on various famous science exhibitions. Aseem for talk shows on science related topics, for great meet with famous scientists, and Aseem for webinars and lecture series. The ultimate objective of Aseem Gyan Vahini is science popularization.
The NCSC 2020 was held online. In this year, 191 projects were registered for first level of Mumbai District Children Science Congress. On the basis of synopsis evaluation test of all these 191 projects, 102 projects were selected and called for project video and project report book evaluation round. From this round, 65 projects were selected for live oral presentation at Mumbai level, from which 20 projects were selected as best projects from Mumbai and were sent to state level. We feel proud that our project was among the selected projects for state level. On 31st of January 2021, we presented our project for state level on Zoom meeting. I am happy today to present the same video here in front of you. Aseem Gyan Vahini is presenting the series of these 20 videos. This is our small step for science popularization and for documentation of good projects for future child scientists.
Good morning. I Sneha Kandar
and I Shravani Chavan.
We are from Shri Sanatan Dharam Vidyalaya and Junior College, Chembur. We always wanted to do a project which would be beneficial to the society in the current scenario, so we decided our topic as eco-friendly soap for a healthy and wealthy nation under the sub-theme of appropriate technology for a sustainable life. We hypothesized that our eco-friendly and skin-friendly homemade soap can prevent coronavirus and other pathogens from entering into our body. We also hypothesized that our soap will help the citizens to keep their skin healthy and moist. We also hypothesized that our soap can provide a disease-free environment in future. All of us have understood that health is more important than wealth for any individual to live happily in today's life. Good health can be only achieved through hygiene and exercise. Hats off to our Prime Minister who made us understand the value of health and hygiene through simple tips. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was introduced on 2nd October 2014 and International Yoga Day is celebrated from 21st June 2015. So we decided to do our project on hygiene, which is very much important in maintaining good health. The main aim of our project is to provide at least 1% relief to the common man during this pandemic situation from which the whole world is struggling to come out of. We did a detailed survey on coronavirus and how we can kill it without harming the human beings, which is the most important part in this pandemic situation. Through our project, we can overcome the pandemic situation, as we all know that washing our hands with the soap is the only solution which has resulted in this pandemic situation. Thus, each individual has to wash his hand 20 to 30 times a day. It means that 20 to 30 times our skin is exposed with the soap. So, choosing a right soap in this current situation is the most important thing. Soap kills the coronavirus by destroying the outer shell of the virus, which protects the virus. Not only coronavirus but all the types of pathogens can be removed from our body by using a suitable soap. So let us see how soap removes the germs from our body. Our body secretes natural oils and germs and pathogens get mixed with this oil. So using only water for washing our hands will not remove all the germs. all the germs, but an eco-friendly and skin-friendly soap will definitely help us to remove all the germs from our body and get rid of the pathogens. We continued our project by collecting information about the structure of our skin and which type of soap is suitable for our skin. On detailed study about the structure of our skin, we found out that use of skin cleansing agents with pH of about 5.5 is very important for preventing skin from our damage. As our next step, was in the project was a discussion with our teachers on how the soap helps us to remove the dirt. Then we did a survey through a Google form on which type of soap does everybody usually prefer. As you can see in the graph shows that most of the people prefer skin-friendly, eco-friendly and homemade soap. As our next step, we started collecting branded soap available in the market and found out its pH value. Usually pH value is not mentioned on the outer covering of the soap, so we did an experiment with the help of our teacher by using pH paper and phenolphthalein to find out each soap's pH value. pH value of most of the soaps were 8 or more than 8, which is not suitable for our skin. So we decided to add natural ingredients in our homemade soap to reduce the pH value. So we added natural ingredients like tulsi, honey, glycerin, aloe vera gel and turmeric to our soap base. We noted the benefits of each ingredients added to our soap. Then we found out the pH of our homemade soap and compared it with the other. As you can see in the graph, our homemade soap is nearly of 7 and compared to other, it is very low. Now, our next step was finding the cleansing capacity of our soap and other soap by finding out the time taken for the foam to disappear. So the cleansing capacity of our soap is very good. As you can see in the chart, the time taken for our soap's foam was nearly 10 hours, 10.5 hours. So it tells us that the cleansing capacity of our soap was really good. Thank you.
We thank Ministry of Science and Technology, New Delhi, NCSTC Network New Delhi, Jigyasa Trust, Thane, Navnirman Vigyan Prabodhan, Mumbai, Education Inspectors of South, West, and North Mumbai for their support and guidance.